Hi guys, today we are going to install Android car stereo in Peugeot Expert. We will need the stereo and those brackets we are going to put from the both sides. So basically no one company is not selling like a proper 9-inch frame like most of the cars that you replace, so that's why we'll use just the screen and the brackets. We don't need the frame. So let's start. You need two removal tools like this. You put here from the both sides, open it and pull it out. Okay. Here the wiring harness, this one, just pull it back. And the radio aerial, it sticks somewhere behind, but okay. This one here, just pull it out like this. This part we will need to cut it because the double gen stereo must go in, and for that I'll put the brackets and I'll show you how. You just need a screwdriver, 4 screws and the brackets. They comes inside the package, so you don't have to buy anything else to install the stereo. All parts you need are inside the package. That's exactly same with all the stereos. Okay, it should look like this. Then with hands open it, then yeah, it should look like this, and check the screws again. Okay, that's it. Okay, so this part, cut it, leave like half centimeters here. Don't cut it to the end. I'll show you now. Like this, and same from the other side. Okay, now we are ready to connect the parts to the back of the stereo. That's the RCA cable. Here is the connection for the cooling fan. Then you have many other things for external microphone, external speakers, subwoofer, amplifier. Also aux, if you want to. You don't need it actually because you have a Bluetooth, but if you want to have aux, you can have it. That's the GPS aerial. Just stick it inside. That's for a reverse camera. The wiring harness. Connect the CAN bus to it. If you don't connect the CAN bus, the stereo will not turn on. Connect it here, and the other end, the small connection here. That's the radio antenna. You have two USB cables in the package. You can put them in the glove box or any other place you like. Just make sure this both ends coming from inside out, so you can connect it to the back of the stereo. Okay, we have the USBs here. We just left them here under the steering wheel. Connect the main harness adapter, make sure this is open, then close it like this, and the radio antenna. Okay, so before we put it in, we're going to check if the stereo will turn on. Switch on the ignition. Yeah, it's working. Okay, after everything is connected, push the cables behind like this. Okay,